In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on Microsoft keyboard. Start by launching your keyboard and then clicking on this microphone at the top right corner. Following that, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop or start, you can manage it thanks to this microphone in the middle. If you want to delete text right away, use this button with an X on the right. And to manage some options available from here, use this gear on the left. Then check out all of those. Last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, you need to tap on this arrow at the top left corner. Personally, I recommend to at least try voice typing because it's super easy and really helpful. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!